and today this is my first unboxing technology video. I'm going to be unboxing Apple iPad 6th generation 2018. First of all, I wanted to thank everyone that supported me by subscribing in my previous video. I really appreciate it, and I hope you continue supporting my channel. Now let's get into the video. This iPad comes in 3 different colors: silver, space gray, and gold. You can get this in cellular or Wi-Fi only. There is 2 choices for storage: 32 gigabytes or 128 gigabytes. What I have right here is silver, 32 gigabytes, and Wi-Fi only. Now let's begin. Woo! Let's keep the iPad aside for now, and let's check what's in the box. First, we got paperwork and guide. If you have the cellular version, it should come with a SIM ejecting tool, but what I have right here is Wi-Fi only. Beneath the paperwork, we can see a 12-watt power adapter, and of course, the lightning cable. And that's it. There is nothing else in the box. Now let's see the iPad itself. Let's keep all of this aside and let's see the iPad. Woo! I can already tell it's a really big screen. Wow. Woo! I'm going to show you around the iPad and what's all the features. First, we got the FaceTime camera, which is 1.2 megapixel. It can take really good quality videos, and you can also take selfies. And of course, the home button. Going to the top, we can see the headphone jack, but unfortunately it doesn't come with any headphones. But I'm happy there is the headphone jack. And the power button. It has a really big screen of 9.7 inch. You can watch movies, play games, and a lot more. Going to the right side, we can see the volume up and volume down. Going to the bottom, we can see the speaker and where you charge it. On the left side, there is nothing. Going to the back, you can see this beautiful color. And the camera, 8 megapixel camera. It's really amazing. And now I'm going to show you how to set it up. So first, press on the power button for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It should look like this. And you can choose your language. For me, I will just choose English. And you can choose any country you are in or what country you want. I'll just choose this one. Quick start. Okay, so if you have an old iPad and you want to transfer data from the old iPad to the new one, you can. But for me, I'm just not going to do it. I'm just going to set it up manually. Written and spoken language, okay, continue. And now you have to connect it to Wi-Fi. Choose any. I already connected it, as you can see. Now press on next. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPad. Okay, data and privacy, we should continue. Use your fingerprint. This thing also has Touch ID, but for me, I will just set it up later. Don't use it. You can also create a passcode. I'm just not gonna use it. I'm gonna skip it for now. Don't use. You can restore from iCloud backup or restore from your laptop, or like if you have an Android tablet, you can restore from it. I will just not transfer anything. And here, if you have an Apple ID, you can put your email and password. If you don't have an Apple ID, you can create a new one by pressing here and then just create a new free Apple ID, but I will just skip it for now. Don't use. This is terms and condition. We should agree. I'll do continue. Keep your iPad up to date. Okay, I'll press continue. Screen time, continue. I will just not share. And you can choose from light and dark mode. I will make a tutorial on how to do it. Quick access to dock. Okay. Switch between recent apps. Continue. quickly access, continue. Welcome to iPad. Get started. Here it is. You get all the default apps. It comes by normal, and I will show you how to update it and change from light to dark mode using a screen recorder from the iPad itself. Okay guys, so I'm here on the iPad and I'm going to show you how to update it. But first, you can see all the default apps, the FaceTime, the photos, the camera, the App Store, and all the settings and stuff. Okay, now let's hop on to showing you how to update. So first, you go to this app called Settings here, and then you scroll a little bit down. You see General. You go, and then you press on Software Update. A tip from me to always update your iPad for better performance and to fix a lot of bugs and issues. So always update your iPad. You just come here, download and install, press on that, and your iPad will restart and you're good to go. And now I'm going to show you how to switch from light mode to dark mode. You go to the settings once again, you scroll a bit down, you see display and brightness. You go to display and brightness, and here appearance, you can choose between dark and light. I personally like the dark, but you can choose any one. The dark one, here it looks on the App Store. Wow, it looks really nice and it's good for your eyes. It's a lot better, it's not bright. And I'm going to show you an easier and simpler way to do it. So, you go up, you go to the settings once again, you see just above display and brightness, you see control center. You go there, then you can see customize controls. You press on that, and then you come here, you see dark mode. Press on that green button here, and then boom, you're good to go. Now go to your home, you see the battery up, you swipe down and you see this. There is a ball that's half white and half black. You press on it and boom, here's the dark mode. And I forgot to mention, on the dark mode, the wallpaper looks like this. And on the light mode, the wallpaper looks like this. So let's go back to real life. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want more videos like this, please support me by hitting that like button and subscribe. Stay home, stay safe. BeshoyMiX.